Wake your up, boy. Guys are up. Crew was already up at 12 o'clock. Early mornings. I preach it. Pump truck was there at 1 to get ready for the first concrete truck at 2 o'clock. So running the concrete, you always have to be on your toes. Make sure everything's up and up. We were probably at about 40, 50 yards already. This day was a big day, but you always have to make sure you got the guys out there, and you always want to have an extra hand. You never know what could go wrong with a concrete pour. You always want to have a good team and people to solve problems pretty quick. Now it's time to watch RJT kick ass. Sit back and enjoy the show.